Today we are seeing very strong bullish signs across the board, especially in Tesla stock, which is now finally reacting. So let's see what we can expect from the market over the next few days. This week we have Federal Reserve meeting, so the volatility will be higher than usual, all right? So let's see what's going on over here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader and founder of the 5% project. If you want to join the 5% of the most profitable traders on the market, then you are invited to join us. Take a look at our website and get to know our service. We are so confident that if you follow our method, you will become a profitable trader that will give you 7 days for free, all right? For free, no strings attached. So just take a look at our website. The QR code is right here in the left corner of your screen and of course in the fixed comment below. Now, as we can see here, Tesla is making an insane bullish reaction today. It is going up more than 14% today, all right, in one single day. Last week, Tesla already went up 14%. And right now, today, Monday, it is going up more 14%. All right, it was about time, okay? It was simply about time. Tesla has been dropping so much. It is literally the worst investment among the Magnificent 7 stocks that it was about time to see such reaction, all right? Of course, I'm not gonna say that this reaction is great, it is amazing, because Tesla is still down more than 20% year to date, but it is a relief, okay? It is just a relief. Right now, it just broke its previous resistance level over here around 184. And hey, guess what? What coincidence, all right? The 184 was today's support level. Okay, this is technical analysis for you guys, all right? Previous resistance levels are gonna act as future support levels and vice versa, following the principle of polarity in technical analysis, all right? And right now, 184.59 area is acting as a support level for us. In addition, Tesla also closed this gap over here, which was a personal target of mine, all right? I also shared this target with our members on our Telegram channel, but this gap over here was a crystal clear target because remember, my dear friends, gaps work as magnets for the price when a reversal occurs. And right now, if you ask me, Tesla has another gap around the 206. If Tesla is gonna close this gap as well, I don't know. All that I know is that Tesla is going up nicely and we don't see any meaningful top signal right here, right now, as of today, the moment I'm recording this video, okay? This is all that I know because technical analysis is not predictive, it is reactive. So we gotta just react to what we see. And as far as I know, in my humble opinion, since Tesla rejected a bearish thesis over here on April 25 by closing above this week's high and by closing above the 21 EMA on the daily chart, Tesla is right now bullish, mid-term speaking. All right, it is bullish. We don't see any single top signal yet. And this situation gets even better because the broad market also looks optimistic. When we look at SPY, for instance, SPY is also going up. It also broke the 21 EMA on the daily chart. It broke its previous resistance levels and it made a very nice bullish reaction right above the 497 support level, which was this gap over here, which was another target of ours. And of course, it is near the 21 EMA on the weekly chart. So SPY, despite the mid-term bearish bias over here, SPY is still bullish on the weekly chart, long-term speaking. Similarly, we see QQQ, which is our tech stock index over here, also going up nicely, making a bullish reaction right above its own 21 EMA, right above the 412, the previous top level, which did act as a support level for us a few weeks ago. And right now, we see that QQQ is also breaking the 21 EMA on the daily chart. However, there is a few obstacles over here because QQQ has just hit a crystal clear resistance level, $432. And what's more, this key point over here was another target of mine. I recommended buying QQQ down here, and right now, today, it just hit our first target, all right? So we gotta pay extra attention when we are near resistance levels, and by seeing a top signal over here, QQQ could drag other stocks, including Tesla, along with it, and we could see a pullback over here. Of course, as far as I know, a pullback is not gonna completely ruin the bullish bias in Tesla, but it might be annoying, and of course it might harm its performance in the next few weeks. Similarly, we see Nvidia breaking its own 21 MA on the daily chart, is making a very nice bullish reaction, just like the indices. The SPY, when we look at SPY over here, SPY is making a higher high, higher low, all right? It just triggered a bullish pivot point. QQQ also triggered a bullish pivot point over here. The first higher high, higher low since it started its correction over here, its sideways correction over here before its downfall to the 412, all right? So we see bullish pivot points on the indices, and we also see a bullish pivot point on Nvidia, also breaking the 21 MA. Now, this is a crystal clear bullish reversal chart structure suggesting that Nvidia is going to seek higher levels, maybe even the all-time high area over here. Now, we don't see any meaningful top signal on the indices, on Nvidia, on Tesla, etc. If we see one, a pullback will probably materialize, but as long as we don't reverse these bullish chart structures over here, the situation will probably remain under control, all right? And this is a good signal, right? This is a very good sign, a very good scenario to work with. Of course, it is not as good as your like and as your subscription. So if you're still not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Join the Finance Hydra channel. Click the like button to support me, all right? Now, back to our analysis over here. When we take a look at the weekly chart on Tesla and Nvidia, Tesla and Nvidia, these two stocks are making very interesting bullish reactions on the weekly chart, because Nvidia also did a pullback over here to its own 21 MA area. Of course, we didn't hit the 21 MA, but we are making a bullish reaction above it, suggesting bullish continuation. When we look at other stocks, we see Microsoft stabilizing, trying to make a bullish reaction right above its own 21 MA. We see Amazon, it made a hammer candlestick pattern right above the 21 MA. We see Google making a bullish reaction above the 21 MA. Now, the only stocks that are not that bullish are Meta, which is making a bearish reaction, losing its 21 MA, and Apple, which is still under the 21 MA despite the bullish reaction, but we see that Apple is will probably find a resistance area over here near the 21 MA and near this bearish candlesticks high over here, because Apple gotta break these two key points in order to turn bullish again. And this scenario, this logic over here is applicable here on Tesla as well. All right, you see, it is the exact same logic. So Tesla has to break similar key points on the weekly chart in order to actually reverse its bearish sentiment long-term speaking, all right? Because mid-term speaking, it is already bullish. But this is why I'm telling you guys, we still see a few obstacles over here. So we gotta pay attention to these key points. I'm gonna be here every single day, keeping you guys updated. So subscribe, click the like button, join the 5% project. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.